Tap into the robust Adobe Technical Communication Partner Network to get custom plugins or solutions, now easily accessible via the Help menu. Through the Help menu, we are able to access specific help topics and samples. You are also able to access third-party plugins and add-ons or training and consulting partners. Clicking on either button opens up the respective page on the Adobe Technical Communication Partner portal. Third-party plugins and add-ons provides a searchable list of partners with their own page of information, plugins, and contact information. If you find yourself needing further assistance, training and consulting partners are also available to help you. Search the list and choose the partner in your region with the expertise you require. Once you've found a partner you would like to work with, fill in the contact information and click Send Message. The partner of your choice will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have questions or would like a personalized demo, please write to us at techcom@adobe.com.